Hey guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. So I heard you've got your car ceramic coated by us, and now you've got this little kit that you want to use to wash at home. You've come to the right place. I'm going to teach you how to use this kit and why this kit would work for you. First, we have this beautiful bucket. As you can see, there's nothing here, just a bucket. Inside, there's tons of good stuff inside, but just hang on a second. A lot of people ask me, why do you use one bucket instead of two? It's a starter kit, okay? Calm down, just calm down. It's a starter kit. What we want to do is just get you started and get everything done as quick as possible, as easy as possible. One bucket's enough for now, okay? One bucket's enough for now. Inside the bucket, we have all these goodies over here. Now, everything has been carefully handpicked by me so that you can do this at home and with the easiest way. So let's just get to it right now. Inside the bucket, you have this Duragloss pH neutral soap. Again, the term pH neutral soap is very important. We're going to use this soap to clean the car. I'm going to teach you how to use it later. This soap is non-streaking, so if you're under the sun like I am today and it dries out while you're washing your car, it's not going to create any mess or any sort of streak. So that's there. Another goodie over here, when you're washing your car with this bucket and the soap, you obviously need a mitt glove to wipe your car. So this mitt glove is super awesome to use on the car later on. I'm going to tell you why you're going to use a mitt glove and not the sponge later as well. For your wheels, we've got the wheel cleaner, which is iron. Super strong, super good, smells like plum. It's gonna make washing your wheels a lot easier. You're not gonna wash your wheels with your hand, you're gonna wash it with a toothbrush. I'm just joking, a wheel brush. This wheel brush will help you clean the wheel very quickly. And obviously, after you rinse the car, you are going to be using a really big cloth to wipe your car dry. This is the cloth we use. It looks small now. When we open it up, it's gonna be like this big, okay? So that's gonna dry your car very quickly. Before we do anything, let's get started. All right, guys, I've got a perfect example today. I've got my car that I haven't washed for 2 weeks. It's also coated before, and it's got dirt and grime on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the car using the 4-step method that I always teach you guys when you're coming to pick your starter kit, right? First is rinse, second is shampoo, third is rinse, fourth is dry. I'm gonna give you some optional steps later, 2 more extra steps if you want to do it at home if you want, but we'll start with the 4 first. So as you can see, there's dust everywhere. What we're gonna do, we'll try to remove the dust as quick as possible with water. So essentially right now what we're doing is we're washing off as much dust on the car as possible, getting rid of all the dust before we start the shampooing process. So as you can see, this car is ceramic coated because it's beating crazy. And that's what's so good about having your car coated, is when you're washing it, it becomes a very easy task. All the dust is just gonna fall right off. It's not gonna stick onto the paint or any of your bodywork. If you do have a foam gun, and we're gonna wash it with the snow foam. Again, this is a completely optional step. You don't need to do this, but if you do have one, why not, right? So what it's gonna do is bring all the dust down with the gravity of the foam, and then it's gonna make it much easier to clean later. It lubricates the whole car. Good to have, but not essential. But check this out. Step 2, remember that's an optional step. Step 2, we got your bucket and we got your mitt glove, and you also have your shampoo. What we're gonna do is bring that bucket with us, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start washing the crap out of the car. So, mix everything up a little bit, put it on your mitt glove, and we're gonna slightly, just gently wash. Left to right motion, gentle is key. The harder you press down on the paintwork, the higher chances it's gonna scratch. Once you've done the section, give it a quick rinse. Now, if you have a second bucket, you're gonna rinse it with the second bucket and then come back to the shampoo bucket, okay? But again, starter kit, top to bottom, left to right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've finished washing the car with our little mitt glove. It's already drying. Again, common theme, right? Don't let it dry. Step number 3, what we're gonna do is wash off everything on the car. A quick tip to wash the car, especially when it's drying really quickly, is to wash one side first, and on the roof, push all the bubbles, all the foams to the other side, so you don't have to come back again. So I'm washing one side, and I'm pushing all the bubbles on the roof to the other side. And then you have to keep washing back and forth, easy. Step 4, dry. Same theme. Before it starts drying from the sun and cause watermarks, what we're gonna do, we're gonna dry with this beautiful big massive towel. So, I'll show you how easy it is to dry, all right? When I say I can wash this car in 15 minutes, it's no joke. Most people hate drying cars because it takes a long time. With this, you just, oh, check that out. In front of the car is dry, just like that. Now this one should be your first step, or if you're like me, sometimes you forget, it can be your last step as well. But obviously doing this first will actually benefit from you not dirtying the other side of your wheels. What we're gonna do is cleaning your wheels, obviously. So we're gonna be using the iron and we're gonna spray it all around the wheels. Again, this is optional, right? The starter kit is only for fast, quick washes, just for you and yourself. But if you do wanna clean your wheels, which it does come with the wheel cleaner, this is what you need to do. Spray it around your wheels like that. It's gonna start stinking. It's gonna smell like rotten tomatoes, plum, something vinegary. And what it's actually doing, it is reacting with your wheel and reacting with the brake dust, and it's actually bringing it off the wheels. So it's detaching, unbonding the brake dust, and it's gonna turn purple. As soon as it starts turning purple, you can start brushing it, and then you can wash it off. Now, with your extra bucket you have filled with water at home, and this little brush, we're gonna start washing and scrubbing your wheels, okay? I normally start from the inside. So let's go all the way in, left to right. You see this little thing? That's good. It doesn't overspray onto your hands or any of the other side of the wheels, okay? And then we're gonna do the face of the wheels. Again with the common theme, before it dries, wash it off. And that, my lads, is how you wash a car. Simple 4 steps and 2 optional. Wash your car by rinsing it, shampoo, rinse it again, dry. Rinse, shampoo, rinse, dry. That's it. Every time you do that, I promise you it's gonna look like this. Again, when you wash a car, don't put too much pressure. When you're drying your car, don't put too much pressure. And if you do wanna wash your wheels, don't be like me, wash it first. Don't wash it last, because you will overspray and you will need to re-wipe again. And that's just adding more time on washing your car. Thank you guys, I hope that was informative and helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call on our number at Just Keep It Fresh, or message us on Facebook. And remember guys, just keep it fresh.